What a politician!
I didn't know he was going to show up. He finally did show up.
All right, I'm going to be saying that you're inspiring the entire world. How's that?
Low pressure.
A little pressure. It's good to know. There is a reason why the whole bloody world is watching this election.
Freedom has belonged only to those who can afford to buy it. The oligarchs of New York, they do not want the equation to change. They will do everything they can to prevent their grip from weakening. The truth is as simple as it is non-negotiable. We are all allowed freedom. November 4th, that is exactly what we will tell the world. We can make City Hall a place where New Yorkers come to expect the future. Our time has come, New York. Our time is now. Thank you very much.